My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Oh, please go through. Oh, I got one. Nice. What's up? It is June 13th. I sold a couple of things on StockX. Number 1, I sold the Jordan 4 Raptors, and number 2, I sold a size 14 Yeezy non-reflective. I did get a bunch of Yeezys in the mail that I'm going to be unboxing right now. The resale value of the size 14s absolutely tanked. They're still profitable, but not as profitable as they were, which they were hovering around the $400, $450 mark, but now they are hovering around $270 to $300, which kind of sucks. So that's pretty unfortunate because I think I got 6 size 14s. So let's get to unboxing them. And you know what? I think I'm going to quick sell a size 13. I don't want to hold on to these bad sizes for too long because I don't think the prices will go up for these anytime in the near future. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get rid of a bunch of these, but maybe I'll hold on to maybe 1 or 2, not sure. But yeah, size 13, quick sold. Another one just came in the mail. Let's see which one we got. Size 11. Alright, so I just got back home and it looks like I quick sold another size 14 on StockX. So I'm going to pack that up now and then head over to UPS. Alright, we were able to secure a pair of Jordan 11 denims, and in a few moments Size USA is going to be dropping the Yeezy 350 blacks. Let's see if we can get more of these.
Oh, it's on. It dropped. Test. Made a whole bunch.
This is sold out. This is, I don't know if they haven't loaded them yet, but
I don't think they loaded too much shit because it was insta sold out for me. Like,
yeah, I'm trying to go manual as well, so that's why I see nothing.
yeah.
This is also sold out on the online. We have another box in the mail. I think this is the last of the Yeezy 350s. size 6.5. Okay, some updates on the Yeezy Blacks. I sold another size 14 on StockX. I sold a couple on Stadium Goods, and I sold one on Flight Club. Yeah, I'm really not trying to hold on to these bad sizes. I'm trying to let them go. It seems like the size 14's market price is going down by the day. It's really bad now. In other news, I'm going to make a sales call to someone who wants a size 10 for the Yeezy Blacks. On StockX, that person would have to pay $507. I'm looking to sell these for at least $450, but if I could get it for higher, that would be cool too. So I'm going to make that call. Hopefully I can sell it for a good price. Alright, so 6.5 right now if you buy it like StockX. I think StockX is the best price, right? All right.
Like I was telling Susan, if you know, I'm gonna try to pay 4 tops, but I don't know if you want to do that.
That's way too low, bro. The market price I think is like $500. On stock. If you buy from StockX, then you have to pay $550, which I think is too high. I'll give you a good price though, but 400 is OD, is like lowballing, you know. But I'll give you a good price. Hang on. Okay, I'll let it go for 470.
470?
Yeah, I think that's the best price you can get it right now. Like other than.
Okay.
Yeah, got it. All right, so I'm gonna send you a message.
Okay, cool. And I'll let you know what's up. Okay.
All right, yeah, cool.
All right, thanks, Nova.
All right, no
Bye.
problem. Let's open up this Jordan 11. This is a size 11. I wonder if anyone would ever just walk around the street just wearing this. Wait, is this actually denim though? It's hard to say. Feels like it. Feels like jeans, so yeah, I think it is actual denim. And anything with the laces? Nope. Honestly, I have no idea why these shoes resell. Maybe it's just because they're limited, but yeah, otherwise no idea. They're kind of mediocre for me. I mean, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Stupid. What is going on? Hello, did it drop yet?
Nope.
No.
Okay, I thought I was going crazy.
I'm not gonna touch it.
I don't think they ever dropped this late.
No, they never dropped this late.
Yeah, you can. You can keep it like this. It's monitoring.
Oh, it dropped.
Oh, good job. Good job.
Get it, boys and girls. Oh, capture fucking sodium.
Okay, I started Adidas test.
This is live, right?
Good.
Got one.
Nice.
Oh, Hannibal store dropped it. No man.
Dude! Oh my gosh. Yo, Cyber cooked on size.
I didn't get anything, so I must have been, my proxy must be bad. Cause I've been searching for product forever.
Oh my god, dude, I got so many. I got 5 charges.
You need to show me your setup, cause I don't know what the fuck I did.
Dude, I don't know what I'm doing. I just set up and boom, boom, checkouts.
Alright, so you think you could it was like working.
One thing is what you do is obviously if you're in the Discord, just type in sensor data.
Another one, boy. Sorry.
Got another one?
Yeah. And another one. Man, I'm fucking killing it right now, bro.
You need to like leave some for the rest of us.
Alright, that drop turned out way better than I had initially thought I would do, and Cyber lived up to its expectations and they had absolutely destroyed size previews. I'm really glad that I took the time to actually set up for it properly and it ended up working. A lot of people are asking me what proxies I used for size previews. I used Fatal AIO, /AIO, and Oculus. I have discount codes for / and Fatal proxies, but not Oculus yet. I'm trialing them as a sponsor. They have been working pretty okay. It is only 3 a.m. and I had actually planned to stay up all night to try and get as many of these as possible. The reason why I'm stopping so soon is because these are supposed to be a European exclusive. For the websites that only allow shipping to UK and Europe, I was going to use privacy for that, and I have reached my privacy limit, so unfortunately I cannot go for any more pairs even if I wanted to. Privacy is a virtual card provider which allows people to have a totally different billing address from their original. So for example, for Yeezy Supply Europe, I would have my billing address in the UK even though it's actually in the US, and that privacy card won't get declined. I have reached my limit and I can no longer buy any more things with my billing address being in the UK. The vast majority of shoes that I've been getting, I've been holding on to, with the slight exception of a few pieces that I didn't think were going to go up in price anymore, but for the most part I've been holding on to shoes, and we're starting to see some of those shoes go up in price. For example, the trophy rooms, I have 5 of them and they are almost $1,000. For the Sakai's, a bunch of those have been going up. For the Yeezy Blacks, it seems that the price is slightly going up despite the fact that there was a lot of stock for it. So me holding on to these items are starting to pay off. The past few episodes I've been getting a lot of shoes. Considering most of them are over $200 after taxes and shipping, that cost is starting to build up. Over the next few days I'm going to let go some of my items, so I sold 2 Sakai's on StockX, 1 green and 1 blue. I'll have the profit chart on the screen right now. And unfortunately for that buyer I spoke to, he flaked out on me, so instead I'm gonna have a different buyer scoop up 2 of my Yeezy Blacks tomorrow. And tonight some Nike Off-Whites are going to be dropping. This is the first Nike Off-White collab in a while, so I'm looking forward to copying these. We're gonna find out if I get them in the next episode.